we thought it would be a good time to give a 301 Merrimon Avenue update. A lot of cool things have happened. This duplex, we haven't talked a lot about the duplex. So we have a commercial space, which you can see behind me. But we also got with this was a duplex with it. And sitting on the porch, which has come to find out to be a wonderful spot for us to be on, but also people who are just randomly walking by. It's amazing the amount of people I've found up here, or remnants of their existence. So hopefully we'll get that under control in a little bit. But the cool thing that's happened at this property is inside the duplex. We've got into the demo. We're opening up some walls, opening up the space. We're making this space on the main level a 3-bedroom, 1 bath with a big kitchen, big living room. And then upstairs, we took down a couple walls to expose these beautiful fireplaces. So you can see a lot of work going on in both of those spaces. And then the exciting part for our office, the roof is gone. So now we just got a big open wall with 2 beams holding up our block wall. So we spent some time taking down the walls, full of asbestos, properly removed, and then some of the block we had to take down just to expose so we can pour in, put a rebar, and pour these walls full, and then start on that. So ideally, our next video will be actually starting some more demo work, concrete work, filling in for the office space. And next update, we'll have quite a bit of what we're doing here with HVAC, plumbing, electrical. And that was a really loud truck. Merrimon Avenue. There's a reason why we wanted our office on Merrimon. It's a very popular street. Oddly enough, you go back to one of our first videos when we were putting this property under contract, it was in the depth of the pandemic. There was no cars in Merrimon Avenue. We realized, oh, this is perfect. And then as the world opened back up, standing outside there, holy cow, it's loud. So there's some things we've done in our design to help with sound mitigation, definitely for our office space and being out there, because it's gotten a lovely connectivity. So look for that to come. We'll probably start doing more videos away from the road, but me and Jessica keep thinking it's going to work out great here. And we thought it'd be great to just show you kind of the porch here and then this. So imagine this, is that we'll have a flat roof for about a little bit this side of the beams. And from where that beam is, both those have to be removed, but once from that side over, a whole nother story. So we'll have a little bit of flat roof here just because of where we're literally inches away from this duplex. We have to stay away from the overhang, keep that away, but then another level, big, nice loft, make this space really feel big and open. Again, thanks for watching the 301 updates, and I hope you enjoyed them.